In today's times, one of the most dreaded aspects of our lives is what we come across as the word scam. It can be best described as an unfair and an abominable means by a person, organization, or a coordinated group of individuals with a deceptive mindset in order to deprive someone of something what they rightfully own. Scam has grown to be ubiquitous and has turned out to have widespread and ominous ramifications in the various walks and spectrum of our daily lives. The forms that scam has assumed is undoubtedly evident in the following areas, namely phishing, investment scams, pension scams, advance fee fraud, computer software fraud, ticket scams, mobile scams, etc., to list a few. Well, there may be neither a befitting nor a concrete solution to absolutely eliminate the possibility of scams happening, but yes, an outright path to fend off any scam in the first place would be to instantly safeguard ourselves from it by verifying the identity credentials of the person on the other side. In order to implement this safety measure, here comes to aid us the introduction of a new application which goes by the name called Hexa8, which is a mobile authenticating application designed of late to achieve and enable not only encryption and communication, but also in tandem, guaranteeing irrefutable privacy and promising safety standards between two entities involved. Let us now take a moment to comprehend the modus operandi of this application by looking at an example of an email address verification between Alice and Bob. Firstly, Alice opens Hexa8 mobile app and taps the Verify Identity button located in the Home tab. Alice chooses Yes when prompted for a new identity token and is shown a QR code. Alice now shows or transfers the QR code to Bob and asks him to scan the QR code using his digital token associated with his email address. Bob scans the QR code using his digital token associated with his email address, and if the process proves to be successful, he is assigned a response QR code which he shows or transfers back to Alice. Alice then taps the back button on the mobile and uses the scanner app to scan the QR code transferred by Bob. Upon scanning the QR code, if Bob's email address is valid, Alice will see a success message on her mobile along with the email address, thus completing the verification process. A thing to be noted here is that Alice and Bob can share the QR code through any channel and complete the verification process. To conclude from the example, Hexa8 essays a pivotal role in the primary stage of communication itself by validating the authenticity of the entity or user at the other end, while also simultaneously ensuring that safety norms have been successfully met in order to continue further without much speculation. So definitely try out the Hexa8 Authenticator henceforth to see for yourself if you grow suspicious about any attempt made by anyone in order to scam you. Last but not least, Hexa8 Authenticator is available on the Google Play Store and the Apple Store to be downloaded and installed for free into your respective smartphones and iPhones.